Hello, welcome to Marine Biology. My name is Dave Thomas. I will be your child's instructor for the next few months as we tour the creatures of the oceans. A little bit about myself. I have taught here at Monarch for over 20 years. The last 10 or so, I have taught marine biology, designed this course to be an elective class for interested and motivated juniors and seniors and a few sophomores. A prerequisite for this course is successfully completing biology or advanced biology as we build on some of the concepts found in that class. Everything you need to succeed in this class can be found on Schoology. I design every day there'll be a daily agenda that tells you exactly what we're going to be doing each day. Generally each week looks about the same. I've broken up the class into 1 week units, sort of mini units with an open note quiz at the end of each week. So every Friday, expect an open note quiz in the course. Grading for the course is about 25% based on sort of daily completion work, just doing worksheets, answering questions, participating in class activities like Kahoots or Edpuzzles or some of the other things that we do each day. 75% of the class is going to be based, of the grade in the class is going to be based on assessments, which includes those weekly open note quizzes, as well as labs and other major projects and assignments. The theme of the class is human impact on the ocean. How does the ocean affect us, and how do we affect the oceans? And so as we go through each of the different creatures that live in the ocean, some time will be spent sort of talking about how are they doing? Are they endangered? What kind of things historically have we done that impact these creatures? I think living in Colorado, being so far from the ocean, it can be difficult sometimes for students to see the relationships that we have with these creatures that live in the oceans and how important healthy oceans are to life on our planet. So that is kind of the overall theme. If you have any questions about the course, please reach out through email or other means to contact me, and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm looking forward to a great year and looking forward to seeing all of you at conferences. Thank you. Bye-bye.